Assalamualaikum guys, I am Kizzer. Today I come with a very interesting news. Microsoft has announced a free certification for the student of Pakistan on Facebook. Microsoft Learn Student Ambassador page. They posted a post about the free certification with collaboration with HEC. They are providing a number of courses free of cost, which basically cost a lot. I will provide a link of this post in the description. You can go through this post, and now let's see how you can apply for it. You can see I image here. Free Microsoft certification. Pakistan has joined the league of some top countries of the world by providing the certification from home platform for Microsoft certification for students. And now see how you can apply for it. You have to just click on this link, and I will also provide this link in a description. As you click on this link, it will open this page. Free certification from home, Higher Education Commission and Microsoft. Just learn this one, and especially learn these 3 points. Certification voucher will be provided on the first come and first served basis. Certification vouchers are available for a limited university mentioned in the next section of this form. The certification vouchers are totally free for the students, and the deadline must not the deadline 13 December 2020 12 p.m. Standard Time, Pakistan, Islamabad. Click on next, and here's a form that we have to fill. What is it? What is your name? I'll just write ABC, my name, father name, XYZ, and here's your official email, abc@gmail.com. You have to write your email. Now here's the university section, that in which university you are studying now. Is it only limited university from the Pakistan that can avail this opportunity? And you can see the name: NAS, PIAS, COMSAT, GUT, Texla, Fatima Jinnah University, National University of Modern Languages, Air University, and Bahariya University, Islamabad. Now you have to type your city name, and you have to type your registration number, and what is your degree program. For example, bachelor in computer science, master in computer science, or philosophy in computer science. In which degree program you are enrolled, you can write it here. And in this section you have to select your semester, in which semester you are currently enrolled in. Let's say I am third semester and I am in ABC program. Here you have to write your CIE number, and here your contact number, and finally you have to select the course or select the exam that you want to do, and here is the number of courses that is available. You can select according to your interest. And very important section is this: please select your preferred date to take the exam online. Please make sure the dates you are choosing, make sure you are free on that day. You can choose any date. Let's say I'm free on 23rd of December, and prefer time slot to take exam online, and I prefer the time 3 p.m. to 4 p.m. Pakistan. And finally you have to click on this confirmation box. I acknowledge and confirm that all my data is correct and submitted. In this way you can apply for the Microsoft free certification. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, then please subscribe to this channel, and if you have any query you can ask in a comment box.